Hi everyone, so welcome to the channel. So in this video I am going to discuss one problem from Ntse stage 1 2016, and this problem is related to algebra, right? So he has given, if we divide a two digit number by the sum of its digits, we get 4 as quotient and 3 as a remainder, right? Now let us consider the two digit number as AB. Let the two digit number be AB. Then this AB I can write it as 10 times of A plus B. So in expanded form, so we can write it as 10 times of A plus B. Now what he has given, if we divide a two digit number by the sum of its digits, that means if this particular 10A plus B, if I divide with the sum of its digits, so sum of its digits means, so simply A plus B. This is nothing but my divisor. By using division algorithm, I can write it as dividend is equal to divisor into, so he has given the quotient as 4 plus remainder is 3. Now when I simplify from this, I am going to get 10A plus B is equal to 4 times of A plus 4 times of B plus 3. Now when I transpose everything, so this 4A when I transpose, this becomes 10A minus 4A, which gives me 6A. Next this 4B if I transpose to left hand side, so this gives me B minus 4B is minus 3B, and which is equal to, I can write it as, so 3 I can write as it is. Now if you observe this, so every term contains 3 multiples. So when I take 3 table as common and cancel, then I can write it as 2A minus B is equal to 1. Now from this I can change it as B is equal to 2 times of A minus 1. So I am converting one variable in terms of the other variable. So I have written B in terms of A's, right? So this is the first condition what he has given. Now let us move on to the second condition. So if we divide that two digit number by the product of its digits, that means, so this is my number, and if I divide this number with the product of the digits, so with A into B, if I divide, then the quotient is 3. So then the quotient is 3 and remainder is 5. By using division algorithm, again we have written like this. Then in the next step, what I can write it as, 10A plus B is equal to 3 times of AB plus 5. Now I can replace B with A, so that I can get everything in terms of A's, right? Then I can write as 10A plus B, I can replace it as 2A minus 1 is equal to 3 times of A into 2A minus 1 plus 5. Now on simplification, 10 plus 2 is 12A minus 1 is equal to 3 times of 2, 6A square. 3A into minus 1 is minus 3A plus 5. Now transposing everything, I can write it as 6A square. When I transpose 12A, it becomes minus 12A minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 times of A minus 1. If I transpose, it becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. Again if you observe, in each and every term we are having the multiples of 3. Then this I can write it as 2A square minus 5A plus 2 is equal to 0. Again we got a quadratic equation in terms of A. So from this we can find out the value of A, no? So A is equal to minus of minus 5, which is nothing minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Using that formula, we are going to have minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square. So minus 5 whole square is 25 minus 4AC. So 4 into 2 into 2. So 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2A. So 2 times of A is 2 here. Now from this, capital A is equal to minus of minus is plus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 4 into 2 into 2 is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So square root of 9 is 3 divided by 2 2s are 4. Now from this I am going to get 5 plus 3. Either it is 8 by 4 or 5 minus 3, it is 2 by 4. Now again this I can write it as 2 or 1 by 2. So here one point I want to make you remember, that is, if a square coefficient and the constant, if they are having the same values, then you are going to get both roots as reciprocal to each other. Okay, so if one root is 2, then the other root will be 1 by 2. So we got the value of a. Now using this we are going to find out the value of b. So for that, already we know b is equal to 2 times of a minus 1. So when I substitute, first if a is equal to 2, for suppose if I take a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 2 times of 2 minus 1. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we got b value as 3, right? The same way, for suppose if a is equal to 1 by 2, if I take a is equal to 1 by 2, then what I am going to get 2 times of 1 by 2 minus 1. So this 2 into gets cancelled, so 1 minus 1 is 0. See, if I take b value as 0, then when I write the number, then I can write it as, so let us see what are the numbers that I am going to get. For suppose if a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 3. Then the 2-digit number is, so what is my 2-digit number? So I can take it as ab is equal to 23, or so the same way I can say if a is equal to half. So can you take a is equal to half? Is that possible? So here a is nothing but a digit. So digit means you can have from 0 to 9. But here a is equal to 1 by 2 is not at all possible. Okay, so this particular case is not at all possible. So clearly, what is AB here? So AB is equal to 23. So 23 means it is odd number as well as it is a prime number. So from this, what I can say? This particular number is odd prime number. Right, so if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe the channel and share with your friends so that they also get benefited with these videos. Right, so thank you for watching.